Math 100 students. I'm your instructor, Cindy Zarske. And since we have our first class meeting coming up on Tuesday, this video is to tell you some things you need to know about the class and also some things you should do before our first class meeting. We have class meetings every Tuesday and Thursday from 8 to 10:25 live on Zoom, and those Zoom class meetings are required. I'll show you later in this video how you can get into our class Zoom sessions. In addition to the class sessions, you're also going to have online work to do. Some note about the class dates. The Zoom meetings will end on Thursday, July 9th, but our class doesn't end until Sunday, July 12th. So you will have online work due after our last class meeting on July 9th. If you do want to work ahead, the assignments will be posted, so you'll be able to work ahead if you want to be finished by July 9th. But if class goes till July 12th, and you will have assignments due July 12th. All the assignments you need to do and the information you need for the class is in our Canvas course. I just published the course, so you should see it now in your Canvas dashboard. And if you haven't ever used Canvas before, let me show you how you can get into it. To get into Canvas, you can start on the Fullerton College webpage, fullcall.edu, and the Canvas icon at the top looks like a wheel. If you don't see it, there should be a three-line menu. If you click the three dots, then you should find that circle icon. Then you'll log in using your My Gateway ID and password. Once you log in, you should see our course on your dashboard, or you can go to your Courses tab and find our course that way. On our Canvas homepage, you'll see a green button that says Getting Started, Tasks to Do by June 9th. Click that button and you'll see a module that has several screens with tasks to do. So start on the first screen and then work through the screens using the next button. Each time you get to a screen, do the task that's on that screen. Or on some of the screens, it will just be some information for you to read. Especially take note of the equipment that you're going to need for our class, including a webcam for our Zoom meetings. A computer webcam would be the best, but if you can't get one or don't have one, then you can log into Zoom with your cell phone, but if possible, a computer's going to be easier for you to use. The reason I'm requiring a webcam is my experience with remote teaching in the spring. There was a night and day difference when students used webcams versus not. Even though we're at a distance, it's important that we feel connected with each other as a class, and when we can't see each other, it's very disconnecting. I want us to all feel like we're actually a class, even though we're at a distance, and that we're all in this together. And so I'd like you to use a webcam when you log in. Our class Zooms will be recorded, but what gets recorded is called the speaker view, which is basically me. So when we're live in class, we'll be able to see each other, but you will not be on the recording unless you unmute your microphone and ask a question out loud. There will be a chat window, so you can chat your questions to me that way, and then you won't end up on the recording. So how do you get to these class Zoom sessions? In Canvas, on the home page, there's a blue button, click to join class Zoom. This home page will change over the semester, different stuff will be on it, but I will always have that blue button, click to join class Zoom there. And when you click it, if you've never done a Zoom session before, it will prompt you to download Zoom. If you've already done Zoom, then you just open it. And when you're a student joining, it will ask you whether you want to join with or without video. So please join with video and then join with computer audio, and you'll be in the Zoom session. Once you join Zoom, stay logged into your Canvas account on your computer because we'll be using it and doing activities on it during our class session. Let's look at the Canvas syllabus tab. We'll be looking at the syllabus more during our first class meeting, but I want to show you that on this tab, if you scroll down, you'll see a list of all the activities every day, all the activities and assignments for the class. This first day has a lot of the getting started stuff in it, so let's look at the following Tuesday for a more typical class day. Each class day you'll see several assignments worth points. There's an on-time check-in, an activity, and an in-time check-in. Collectively, these are worth 20 points. So to get all the points, you need to be in our class Zoom session by 8 a.m. for the on-time check-in, participate in the entire session through all the activities until the very end when I'll give you the end time check-in. If you try to do them now, it'll just tell you that you need to be in class to do them, and I'll give you this access code in class. You'll also see an HT session. HT stands for Hornets Tutoring. These are sessions that are optional but highly recommended that will be facilitated by our awesome student tutor, Elena. Elena has been working with me in my Math 100 classes for the last year, and she's great, so we're really lucky to have her back for this summer. She'll be with us helping during our class sessions, and then staying on afterwards, starting at 11, then she'll run additional supplemental sessions called HT sessions. These are not, I wish they didn't call them Hornets Tutoring. They used to be called SI, Supplemental Instruction, and I wish they still were because that's really a better description. These are not tutoring just like struggling students should log on and ask for help. These are enrichment activities. These are activities that Elena will have planned that are designed as enrichments for everyone. They're helpful, they're fun, and the studies have shown that students who consistently go to HT are more successful and earn higher grades. You'll also see here some additional incentives and goodies that I'm offering for incentives to go to HT. One of them is a pretty big goodie here. When we talk about projects, you'll see that's an option for you, as well as some other littler goodies. But I hope you can plan your schedules on Tuesdays and Thursdays to stay logged into our Zoom from 8 in the morning until noon. Now, there'll be a break in the middle there between class Zoom and Elena's sessions. But if you can plan that block of time in your schedule, that would be great for you to stay and participate in everything. That'll give you your best chance to do well in the class. On Tuesday, you're going to meet Elena, and she will tell you more about the HT sessions and what they're going to be like. In class this Tuesday, I'll be showing you more specifics about how to use Canvas to do your assignments and how to register in Alex, our online homework system that you'll be using. So Tuesday morning, shortly before 8 a.m., go to our Canvas home screen and click the blue button to join our class Zoom session. Also a reminder that before then, please get into our Canvas course and click the green Getting Started button and complete all of these tasks in that module before our first class meeting. So I will see you Tuesday morning, 8 a.m. in our class Zoom session. I look forward to meeting you, and see you then. Bye for now.